What is your unexpected blessing today? Let's be unexpected blessings for each other. We've been focusing throughout Christmas, the Advent season, on being a gift. Let's continue that. We are a blessing. We're going to take that idea into meditation together. So as we breathe in and out, gently taking in the energy that surrounds us, the natural energy in this world. You breathe it in, you breathe it out. Allow your shoulders to soften. Allow your spine to soften. Allow your jaw to soften. Let your breath be soft and gentle. Allow all tension to leave your body. What is the unexpected blessing in your life today? Maybe this moment. Can you feel the blessings swirl around? Each song, each note played, each handshake, each smile, each voice, children's laughter, leaves falling on a warm winter day. Unexpected blessings are everywhere. As we open our hearts to the divine source, divine mind, Mother, Father, God, as we open, we feel that connection. We know that we, too, can be an unexpected blessing for each other. Imagine that your energy is extending as a blessing to the people beside you and around you. And let that blessing extend to the world. And as we breathe in and as we breathe out, affirm in your heart that you are a blessing. And so it is.